Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to solve the question number 30th, in which you have to prepare the realization account, partners capital account, and cash or bank account. So first of all, we have transferred all the assets and liabilities. So here is the investment, debtors, bill receivable, and on the buy side liabilities, creditors, bill payable, Mrs. Yogesh loan, investment fluctuation reserve, and provision for doubtful debt. After that, in the question, it was given that Yogesh is paying his wife loan. It means to Yogesh capital, his wife loan was 42,000. After this, next is we have to pass the entries for the adjustments. So in the adjustments, debtors 30,000, bill receivable, it was given that you have to realize the bill receivable after 20% rebate. So bill receivable we have calculated 20% discount and then we have subtracted it. Bad debts recover 15,000, unrecorded asset 10,000. So total amount we got 86,730. On the debit side, creditors and bill payable both are paid at 15% discount and it is also paid after 2 months. So first we will subtract the discount. 40,000 into 15% multiplied by 2/12 means after 2 months. Then we will subtract that amount from the 40,000 and we got 39,000 creditors and 39,000 bill payable. Next adjustment was that Naresh is getting the 10,000 remuneration. You can look at the question before balance sheet. It is given 10,000 remuneration. So 10,000 he is getting as remuneration. Naresh is also taking over the investment. So it will come on the credit side 26,000. After that, you will balance the realization account, and after balancing, we have got the profit, that is 13,330, and it is divided into the ratio which is given equal. After that, preparation of the partners capital account. So first of all, we have transferred the partners capital account balance, then realization profit, then we have transferred Yogesh, which he had paid his wife loan. We are transferring on the credit side. Then remuneration, which was given to the Naresh, it will also come on the credit side. Then the asset which was taken over by Naresh, it will come on the debit side. Means we have to pass opposite entries according to the realization. And then the advertisement suspense was given in the balance sheet, so it is divided in equal ratio among the partners. After passing these adjustments, you have to balance the partners capital account, and we have got the balance of Yogesh on the debit side and balance of Naresh on the credit side. So after preparing this, you have to prepare the cash or bank account. So in cash or bank account, first of all, you will write the balance of cash. Then you will transfer the entries from partners capital account. So Naresh balance was on the credit side. There, that's why it is transferred to on the to side now. And similarly, Yogesh capital on the buy side. After that, you have to transfer the total amount of cash or bank from the realization. So realization in the debit side it was 78,000, so it will come on the credit side now, and the debit balance was 86,730, so it will come on the debit side. After that, partners loan, it was given on the liability side in the question, so it will also come on the credit side. Means the vice versa entries you have to transfer. So the total we have got equal on the both sides, hence here the question is completed. So you will also solve this question yourself, and if there will be any problem, then you may ask me. Thanks and have a nice day.